I'm a high school history teacher at Faith Christian Academy in Orlando, Florida. I've lost a total of 116 pounds in 11 weeks at the Institute of Weight Management. Dr. Green and her staff have been just such a blessing to me as I've done this. And I started this program and just established myself in buying into everything that Dr. Green and her staff have sold to me. And I'm not talking about financial, I'm talking about just spiritual. I'm talking about having a better understanding of what I'm eating and what it does for me and what it can't do for me. And the metabolism side is just kick-started. I mean, obviously 116 pounds in 11 weeks is, to everyone else, it's unbelievable. To me, it's even more than that. I share with her, I can get a little emotional. I'm a strong believer in my Savior Jesus Christ. He's my rock, and I feel like I don't want to let him down in what he's done for me in my life, and I don't want to let my wife down, my daughter, my sons. I don't want to let my students down. I don't want to let my school down. I don't want to let Dr. Green and her staff down, because they've allowed me this opportunity, and it's important to me to do what I say I'm going to do, just like I preach to my students every day. So you got to live that example. I've worked really hard at this. It has not always been easy. There's been many times I catch myself in the middle of the day or night walking to the fridge and opening up the door, because that's what I naturally did. But I've told myself I'm not going to do it, and I think a big reason is prayer. So I spent a lot of time in prayer over this with God, and He has provided the support around me. So the prayer's He just doesn't answer straight to me, but He uses people around me to support me at that and hold me accountable. And as everything progressed, I developed more confidence in myself, even little things like in a shower. Now, most men don't want to talk about guy things, but even in the shower, being able, be honest with you, after about 7 weeks, I was able to reach places on my back I haven't washed in years because I couldn't reach it. Now I'm more flexible. I don't have the aches and pains that I used to have. I'm no longer on my blood pressure medication. I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis probably about 2 years ago. That medication I was taking for that has been cut in half. So even that is way down. And I think a lot of that, I don't think the rheumatoid is weight as much as it is what I'm eating to help me to support and kind of just take some of probably relieve some of the pressure on my joints and things like that. But this is, I shared with Dr. Green and her staff, this is not a diet, this is a lifestyle change. I know I can't go back to what I used to do. I know I promised myself when I hit my goal, my first goal, which I'm not there yet, and I'm getting close, but when I reach my first goal, I am going to go sit down and have me a burger and enjoy it. And my wife tells me I probably will only be able to eat half of it, but that's okay. But in my mind, I deserve that. I've earned that. So, but I do understand that I've had to change, and like I said before, Dr. Green and her amazing staff, they haven't just helped me, they more than likely helped save my life and give me many more years. God has His plan for me, whatever that may be, so be it. But I'm going to live healthier. I used to joke around with people, well, you guys can go ahead and eat healthy, when I die, I don't have to worry about it if I'm fat. Well, it's easier said than when you walk that life every day. When you go home and you're by yourself and it's on your mind. It's like you start wondering, hey, what happens if I don't change my lifestyle? Am I going to be able to see my daughter and my sons get married? Am I going to be able to see them have kids? And that's important. And the older we get, I didn't think about things like that when I was younger. Dr. Green and her staff, though, are real with you. They were real with me, and I'm a real person, so I need that. I expect that.